So here's this 2011 Goodman heat pump running in cool mode at a Jiffy Lube. Filmed this running in heat mode during the heating season. Tried to get a defrost of it, but it failed, like always. And the 2011 3-ton. That is ice cold. That fan is shaking a lot. Hopefully this year I'll be successful on getting it defrosting. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. It's pretty quiet. So, looks like it has a new reversing valve. The reversing valve looks pretty shiny. Not sure if you can see it all that well, but it does in fact have a new reversing valve. And that's where the old Goodman logo used to be. Fan blade must be out of balance, but hey, thanks for watching.